Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we talked yesterday about upper band, middle band, lower band. What did we do yesterday? Test the lower band. Once the middle band sealed off as resistance, and it was that 59 area, it was the middle band coupled with the weekly pivot. Once that area sealed off as resistance, it opened up a move to the lower band. I wasn't sure if it was going to happen all in one day, but it got the push down. It was a great day in the room. Couple of really big shorts. The longs were trades, but they weren't holds. So we ended up, about 27 and a half handles in the room yesterday. Could have been a little bit more. I was out for the bounce. I was already day done. So they bounced it off the call it the 100-day exponential moving average and the daily lower band there as you got into the afternoon. What's going to be key here as we switch over to the hourly chart is, are they going to retest it and make a lower low? If they retest it and make a lower low, then we're starting to print things probably with 26s on them. Yesterday's low was 2,700 quarter. If that's the case, then the bears are going to have their moment. The big thing about this year, and we talked about this in 2017, 2018, and I think 2019 as well, are going to be traders' tapes. The bulls are going to have their moments. The bears are going to have their moments, and you can point to we had the down move early in the year. We're just coming off an upper band ride that has turned into a series of rally sells, and now we're down in and around the area of the lower Bollinger Band. You're not getting the all-year slow bleed up ramp that made up most of 2017. It's just not the case. So we are in sell rallies mode, and just looking at this hourly chart, you can see rally, sell, rally, sell. Let me broaden it out a little bit. So you've been getting lower highs, selling these rallies, rally, 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 rally. So it's a situation where we are making lower highs and lower lows over a period of time. That was after we maxed out up at 27.96 after the upper band ride. So here's your upper band ride, 27.96 matching highs, and we have gradually moved back down, not quite to the low, 26.75, but they're working on it. And if you make a lower low today, so it's 26.75 right here is the area they're going to start to look for. So the bulls have their moments, the bears have their moments. That makes for some excellent trading. Okay, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. I will be out with social in a little bit. Until then, trade them well. Talk to you then.
Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.